Okay, so I put this little thing here. Hopefully you can get a better look. This is the wreath that I had picked up when I was at Goodwill. I think it was like $3 or something. And it's metal. So I wanted to do something with it. I wanted to show you guys some ideas that I had. It doesn't really have where you would hang it, so anywhere would be where you could hang it. So I'm gonna take it like this. And the first thing I want to add are some of these. I showed you guys in what I had stored, these flowers. I think these are from Christmas Tree Shop. I'm not really sure, but they've got a little stem to it. And I hope you guys can see this. I'm gonna just put it in here, and because it's got the wiring in it, you don't have to glue it or anything. You could just, you know, fold it down the way you would want it and bend it in to place. Like that. So that's the first piece. I'm gonna add another one on this end. Actually, I'm gonna make it a little closer. Put it like right in here. You here. Like that. I'm gonna take some of these gold leaves and just put them in here, and then just have like some of these green ones hold it in place like that. I'm gonna do the same on this side, like this, having some of the leaves hold it in place. That. There. Like that. And then I'm gonna take another one, and I'm probably gonna just put it right in the center here, so that this is like your bottom section. That, and then fold you under here. Like that. And then I want to take some of these flowers as well and just start putting them in randomly. Hold them there. And the same thing you do on one side, you want to just do on the other. Like that. I'm going to put some up here. Then I have some of these that I think I'll just, I'm not gonna cut this one. I'm gonna just take, I'm gonna take this bird and place him right up here. So this is how it's looking. And I'm gonna put this bird here, and I can just clip the bird like that. And then put this one right here. This one as well, like that. And then I think I still want to add I'm gonna add some of these gold leaves, but I'm gonna put this one kind of like on the bottom of it so you can see it once it's on the wall, you know, like that. I'm gonna put this one on this end, like that. So once it's against the wall, you get a better gist of it. I hope you can see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna show you the final results once it's on the wall, but I still wanted you to see the stuff that I was adding to it. So I have these little acorns that I sprayed. I'm just gonna put it like under the leaf, under the bird, like if the bird was holding it. Under this side. Under the leaf of the bird. I'm gonna hang it on the wall and then we're gonna see how it looks and then I'm gonna add to it. Okay, so I put the wreath here. This is how it's looking. I need to get a longer hook, but I kind of like it here because when I open the door, it's not gonna hit the Dyson. So if I wanted to add some little bows, I can just put them right here. And then I can put one right here, just for a little bit of color. Then I'm gonna add another gold leaf, but I'm just gonna sit it right in here. I'm not gonna glue it down or anything, just right there. Right there. And then if you wanted to glue like some of these acorns, you could, or you can just, you know, place them in under the wire like that. So I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. I like how the birds look up here. It looks nice and full, but not too much. And again, if I'm gonna open the door, it's not gonna hit the Dyson. So this is from the wreath that I got at Goodwill. A lot of these things are from Dollar Tree. This is from Christmas Tree Shop. The leaves I think are from Burlington, and everything else was pretty much Dollar Tree. So this is the wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY with me. It's one of the few that I'm gonna be doing. The next thing I'm gonna do is the living room or the front door, probably the front door. And then I'll film everything separately, and then I still have to do my coffee station. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. If you think it needs a little more red or if it needs something else, let me know down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.